Just to cut down on reflectivity, we've pre-opened it a little bit and we're going to continue now. This is the Note Air. This is the continuation of the Note series, but this one is looking a little bit like the Remarkable with the two-tone color here and the asymmetrical design. So we will see more of this when we open it up. You can see there are tons of specs at the back, but you can read the specs in English right there. You can see it is a 10.3. 1872 by 1404. I'm not going to read all those. 3 gigs of RAM, Android 10, right out of the box, USB-C. Very, very nice on paper. How does it perform in real life? We will have to wait till the full review for that. But for now, here's everything that comes in the box. So you get your screen protector that already comes inside the box. And yes, the design is very, very Remarkable-like. We will leave this till the very end like we usually do. We will explore the rest of the box first. We have all of our documentation, our warranty cards, our Note Air user guide, put that off to the side, and we get this box that has been in a lot of devices lately. The Lumi, notes, etc. Oh, the pen is different! That is fantastic! The pen is actually different. We've been seeing this one actually, it just so happens to be here. This is the pen that comes in most devices, even the Lumi uses this. The Note Air is using a different pen, probably because it's meant to snap to the side of the device with a magnet. I don't know, I'm pretty sure it does though. And we have our USB-C. Actually, I do know it does because I just remember that promotional video showed it snapping to the side. Here is the device itself. Let's see if it does. Just put it over here. Oh, it does, perfect. Very nice. So we're going to remove the plastic. I both like and hate doing this because I like to keep the plastic in case we have to do giveaways and stuff. Wow. Wow, nice design. The back is blue. It's a blue metal. It's made out of metal too. This thing is very nice. It's lightweight, but it's got a little bit of heft to it. And you have these nice design strips. This is looking really nice. Nothing on that side, nothing on the bottom. Nothing on the top. Everything happens on the side here. You get your speakers, you get your power button, and your USB port. That is very nice. It's got like a triple bezel going on. You have a blue wraparound aluminum bezel that wraps around the whole device. Then you have the black flush screen bezel with the two-tone strip on the side, taking a page right out of the Remarkable device. Wow, that is a very nice feeling device right out of the gates, I must say. That snaps to the side. That is everything for now. We are going to keep you guys on the edge of your seat. We know that some of you are angry that we do unboxings. Well, you will have to toughen up because this is a little bit of a sneak preview until we show you the full review, until we've had time to play with this, until we have time to conduct our testing. For a full unboxing of the Onyx Boox Note Air, this is Peter.